Yes guys, so I'm run left my wife from morning, right? Yeah, I'm never get my time or nothing. But I think never look a treat for her. You know, I could go back to Mother's Day. I'm gonna get her something should have been mad, right? So yeah. So come with me while I'm going to surprise her. Get her, she loves sneakers also. I'm gonna get her sneakers. I'm gonna get her a nice little bag. So hopefully, wish me luck. Hopefully she like them. I understand the last time I bought her a bag, it was really good. The last time I bought her a bag, she loved it. So I hope this is a Steve Madden's bag. So hopefully she like it. And I get her some fresh roses. So yeah, this is my first time buying roses too. I never did this before, so hopefully she like it. Okay guys, so this is me in a Winners. I look around, scan the place and see what we can get, right? Because we want to ensure so the day turn out beautiful fair. Anyways, me did have to do this because music did in the background in a Winners. Music did play in a Winners, so I had to do this. Anyways, these are the bag them and stuff. Yeah, look for see which bag would be the best for her and so forth like that. Yeah, just a scan, see some nice bags here. Yeah, I look and I think and I say, hold on, these would be nice bags for her, you know what I mean? Anyways, I couldn't decide, so wanna help me decide. Well, that one here, I love this, to be honest with you. This was a good bag, understand? But then it had some silver in it, and I remember she said she doesn't like nothing in silver. So yeah, I was scanning, going on looking to see what I think. I don't know. Let's see what I decided on. Yeah, that was a Steve Madden's bag. Yeah, so go on and scanning, seeing what would be the best fit for her. Yeah, and then I was looking, I'm like, one bag don't think would be enough, so I was looking on sneakers also. Yeah, scanning around to see. Could not make my mind up yet, but yeah, eventually I had to make my mind up some way, somehow. So yeah, so look to see. That was the bag I chose. Yeah, nice little bag there. Yeah, nice little bag. Let's see if she's gonna like it. Yeah, Steve Madden bag. So you guys tell me if it's beautiful. Yeah, I had to get her that. So that was my pick, to be honest. Looking on nice sneakers and stuff like that to see. Yeah, so I eventually make my mind up. I believe I choose these two. Yeah, sneakers match with the bag. Yeah, that's my thing. So what do you guys think? You think I have taste? Haha. Yeah. And then I came up a little and I saw this one. Yeah, I saw this one. Look, it's coming. I'm like, whoa, this is nice too. So I was thinking to get both or to get one, but I don't know. What do you guys think? I should get both of them. They're both looking good. I think she'd rock both of them nice. But yeah, that was it. People say the roses them, you know. Yeah, so that is what they are. And you know, me have to top things off with the roses. So me put, you know, I don't know which one. Which one of them nice? Let's see. Me have to grab something. Oh my, these are beautiful. These are nice. I love these. I hope she does. Yeah, these are really nice. Yeah, I love these for her. Match her color too. So let me see. Beautiful ones, but I like these. Yeah, I like these. So let's go. People, guess what? Change my mind, you know. That one I look more fresher. I like these. Yeah, I changed my mind. Sorry. So these was my first pick, but after looking on them, I see they start quailing. So yeah, and these are my second pick. I'm going with these. I'm more comfortable. Oh, them say Jamaica man ain't a good man. Baby, I'm coming home, honey. I'm coming home. Hope she like them guys, you know? Yeah. Get her them. Yeah, this is her Mother's Day gifts. Yeah. I'm coming home, beautiful. Guys, I'm just get in now. Let's go see our reaction. Oh my god. Stop it, nice. Stop all of that. Let's get to the reaction, guys. Oh, my sweet, beautiful wife. This is for you, honey. I hope you like them.
Thank you. Oh, I love them. Thank you. I love them.
Well, I think I win today, guys. That's my first time buying
Ever.
flowers. So.
I was literally going to do a short and buy myself flowers, and I've seen it on TikTok where people say teaching my husband how to be romantic.
You? Yeah, something else, man.
Thank you,
How are
babe.
you? How is the day?
I love you.
Good?
It was good. Yeah, I had a good day. Thank you.
You're taking a suntan?
I was, yeah, just kind of relaxing.
Always taking a suntan. That's her.
It's a beautiful day. I'm just relaxing.
I like it.
Thank you, babe.
I
I
love you,
really
babe.
love them. They're beautiful. Thank
Nice.
you.
Guys, I know where some get her these. So let's see her reaction for these ones. Yeah, I gave her the flowers just now. So let's see her reaction with this.
Oh my god, you're spoiling me. Oh my gosh, babe. Are you kidding me right now?
We like
oh
them.
my gosh, I love them. No, for real.
That's for you, honey.
Oh my gosh. I needed a brown purse. You knew I needed a brown purse.
No. It's
Remember?
that the first one I bought was a hit and I like it. So I'm like, you know what?
But I've been
Get her
wearing, I
something
have
else.
this color sandals and belt, and I said I need to get a brown purse. I love it. I absolutely, and it'll go so nice with these sneakers.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Well, how they say your baby can't shop?
Babe,
They were lying, I think.
You've got style.
Oh, yeah?
You have got style.
Okay.
Are you kidding me right now? Well, guys, this is my Mother's Day haul. It's from my husband. He just got home from work. And that's from my daughter. And from my friend Sharon, got me the beautiful orchid. Wow. Wonderful day of gifts and fellowship at church and at lunch with friends. And yeah, it's a great Mother's Day. I give God thanks and praise for a wonderful Mother's Day, and thank you for watching. And remember, subscribe, like, comment, and share. God bless. Until next time.